Hello everyone. In this video, I'll give you update of a government job. There is really very huge vacancy in IBPS RRB recruitment 2021. In this video, I'll talk about job role, qualification, eligibility criteria, age limit, exam pattern, exam fee, important dates, etc. So make sure please watch this video till end so that you don't miss any information. So first, I am going to talk about job role. Here job role is actually in this vacancy there is a four type of job role. First one is office assistant, and second one is officer scale 1, third one is officer scale 2, fourth one is officer scale 3. And you can see salary of office assistant is 19,000 to 22,000 per month, and salary of officer scale 1 is 30,000 to 36,000 per month, and salary of officer scale second is 36,000 to 42,000 per month, and salary of officer scale 3 is 41,000 to 47,000 per month. uh, there is total vacancy of 10,466, and qualification is any degree, means you should have any degree of graduation, and last date is 28 June 2021, and job location is across the India. Now we will talk about age limit. Here for officer scale 3, your age should be 21 years to 40 years, and for officer scale 2 your age limit should be 21 years to 32 years, and for officer scale 1 your age should be from 18 years to 30 years, and for office assistant your age limit should be 18 years to 28 years. Now we will talk about exam pattern. First we will talk about pre exam, and in this first we will talk about exam pattern of office assistant. So there is total 80 marks question, and you will get 45 minutes, 40 minutes for reasoning and 40 minutes for numerical ability. The medium of question paper will be in Hindi or English. You can attempt in any one. Now we will talk about exam pattern of pre-exam of officer scale 1, scale 2 and scale 3. For scale 1, scale 2 and scale 3 exam patterns will be same. Here also you will get 80 questions and 45 minutes, and 40 minutes, so 40 marks for reasoning and 40 marks for quantitative aptitude. Here also exam question paper will be in Hindi or English. Now we will talk about exam pattern of main examination. If you clear exam pre exam, then you will qualify, you will be able to give a main exam. Now in main exam total number of questions will be 200 and maximum marks will be 200. 40 40 question will be reasoning, and you will get 50 marks for reasoning, and 40 questions will be of computer knowledge, you will get 20 marks for this. 40 questions uh, of general awareness, you will get 40 marks for this. 40 questions for English language or Hindi language, and you can attempt any one language, and you will get 40 minutes for this, and 40 questions for numerical ability, and you will get 40 marks for this. Now we will talk about exam fee. Here exam fee for officer scale 1, scale 2 and scale 3 is 850 rupees, and if you are SC ST or PWBD candidate, then your exam fee will be 175 rupees. And for and this same exam fee will be for office assistant. Now we will talk about some important dates. You can pause this video and you can take a screenshot of these important dates. I already explained about this. You can just take the screenshot for your reference. Now we will talk about how to apply. Now you will get this link in description box. Now you have to click on here, click here for new registration. Now click on this. Now you have to fill all the basic details, and scroll. Then yeah, after filling all the details you need to save and next. Then again you need to upload your photo and signature, then details, then preview, then upload some document, then payment. After that you will get a confirmation message. So I think yeah, I think now you don't have any doubt. If still you have any doubt, then you can contact me on through via comment, and please ask your any question. If you have any doubt, please ask your question via comment, and please like this video if you think this video is helpful, and please subscribe this channel for more such job updates. Thank you for watching this video.